Hi, ICCSD students. My name is Mrs. D, and I'm our teacher over at Alexander Elementary School. And today I'm going to teach you how to create a cubism fish. And what you need is just a picture of a fish, a piece of construction paper, some other kind of paper to glue your fish onto when you're done, a ruler, a pencil, crayons or colored pencils or markers or whatever you like to color with, scissors, and a glue stick. So, here we go. First thing you're going to do is you are going to divide your fish up. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and do this with a crayon because I'm not too worried about it, into maybe 6 different sections. So I'm going to use my crayon and I'm just drawing a line, any kind of line with my ruler, and breaking my fish up into different sections. 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, I drew a line through 6 different lines through my fish to kind of just break it up into different sections. So each one of these sections is its own shape, and maybe I want to color each one of these different. I don't have to just color my fish one solid color. I could add different kinds of lines, like wavy lines in this section maybe, or straight lines. Or I might want to do polka dots. You can decorate or color each section of your fish however you want. Maybe you want to have a pattern. So maybe this section is going to go circle, triangle, circle, triangle. And then I would go ahead. Or maybe you just want to color each section of your fish one solid color. You can really do whatever you want. And you can even break up some of the smaller parts, the line of the fish and the line that you created, too. Now, it can be kind of boring to watch somebody else color. So, I am going to start cutting my fish out. And I am not done. I still need to add more color to lots of the sections of my fish. But I would like to give you some time to do it. So I am going to cut it out. And I am just going to start by cutting out around the outside of my fish. Okay? I'm not cutting anything in the middle. I'm just cutting around the outside. Sometimes I like to get those big chunks out of my way. And I'm just cutting around the outside outline of my fish. You want to do a good job with this. Okay. Now I'm going to start cutting on some of the lines I made through my fish. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my fish maybe in half like this. Okay. And you can really cut on however many lines you want. You might want to cut some on the line you created and then some on the part of the fish that was already there. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. I'm going to break this one up just a bit more. And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of just mix them all up. And then on your other piece of paper, you're going to arrange your fish however you want. So you can play with it, come up with kind of some crazy designs. So it doesn't look very realistic. I took my fish and I cut it up, and now I'm rearranging it on my paper. And you don't have to glue right away. I actually encourage you to arrange your fish first and then glue it on my paper. So I might like mine to look like this, or I might move some pieces around so that it looks different. And once you get a design that you like, I think that's where that one actually goes, you can carefully use your glue stick and glue it on. So now we have an abstract fish. And I kind of like that. So at this point, I would start getting my glue stick out and gluing, oh, bumped it, my pieces back on. And when you're done, you will have an abstract shaped fish. Have fun.